In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix uncategorized income in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by getting into your QuickBooks account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up first. Otherwise, just head over to the login page on QuickBooks Online and sign in using your existing account details. Once you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your account information. Be sure to complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on the I'm not a robot checkbox and then proceed by clicking Continue. Next, you'll enter your password, followed by clicking Continue again. If you manage multiple companies, you'll want to choose the appropriate company file you need to work with. This will take you to the main dashboard, where you can access various tools and account management features. To fix uncategorized income, you'll need to navigate to the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks, this is your go-to place for managing accounts efficiently. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, you need to locate the uncategorized income account. You might have to scroll a bit if you have a long list of accounts, but keep an eye out for it. Once you find the uncategorized income, you'll see an action column. Here you'll want to click on Run Report. This report will give you a comprehensive list of all the transactions that are currently categorized under uncategorized income. These transactions need your immediate attention for reclassification to ensure your records accurately reflect your income sources. Now let's move on to reclassifying these transactions. On the report page, you'll see multiple transactions listed out. You'll need to open each transaction one by one. When you're in a transaction form, take a close look at the Category Account field. This is where the change happens. You'll want to change this from uncategorized income to the specific income account that best describes the transaction. Once you've made the change, don't forget to save and close the transaction. This process involves opening each transaction, so it may feel a bit repetitive, but it's crucial for presenting accurate financial data. By making sure each transaction is classified correctly, you're ensuring your company's financial reports reflect true business operations, which is essential for making informed financial decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fix uncategorized income in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial data is as precise and actionable as possible. Remember, keeping your accounts tidy and up to date can save you a lot of trouble come tax season or when you're reviewing the financial health of your business. Thanks for watching, and have a great day optimizing your QuickBooks accounts.